Hi, this is Riley, and this is Torrevieja news for Friday, July the 3rd, 2026. Let's start with some news that affects our local neighborhood. The long-awaited €5.4 million renovation of the Sector 25 park has been frozen for over 3 months. It turns out the City Council started the work without getting express authorization from the Ministry of Transport, which manages the nearby N332 bypass. While local residents have been waiting years for this green space, the area councillor, Concha Sala, says they are currently awaiting the official paperwork from the Highways Department. She expects the official notification very shortly, and the 3-month downtime will simply be added to the final schedule, which might push the completion date slightly past December 2026. Staying local, the Valencian Commerce Observatory has approved 11 Sundays and bank holidays for commercial opening hours during 2027. The selected dates are designed to help with major shopping campaigns like winter sales, high tourism periods around Easter, and the run-up to Christmas. What makes this new calendar interesting is a brand new flexible clause. Following the lessons learned from the devastating storm in October 2024, local businesses and town councils will now be allowed to swap these opening dates if they happen to clash with an official weather or public health emergency. Widening out slightly across the Alicante province, there has been a massive surge in migrant regularisation applications. The process is proving to be quite complex, leading to long queues and confusion for those involved. Sadly, reports indicate that some individuals are taking advantage of the desperation and lack of knowledge of applicants, with many people paying extra fees just to avoid the endless back and forth of the paperwork. Meanwhile, the ongoing legal trial involving the mayor of Orihuela, Pepe Vergara, and other board members of ITV Vega Baja has continued. The court has been hearing testimonies regarding allegations of corporate tax fraud dating back to 2005, which centers around invoices for promotional diaries. A defense expert argued today that while minor quarter-by-quarter deviations existed in favor of the taxpayers, it was an administrative fault rather than a criminal offense, claiming the figures do not reach the €120,000 line required for criminal fraud. Moving into some of the more serious news from today, emergency services discovered a dead body at Acequion beach in Torrevieja this morning. Local police and the Guardia Civil attended the scene to manage the situation and initiate standard procedures. Medical professionals could only confirm the death, and an investigation is currently underway to determine the exact circumstances of the incident. To finish on a lighter note, a rather bizarre burglary case has come out of Elche. The National Police arrested a 64-year-old man from Orihuela after he allegedly broke into a home and stole collectible toy cars and a high-end bicycle worth €1,500. The twist? The thief accidentally left his own mobile phone behind at the crime scene. While officers were at the house with the victim, the phone rang. It was the thief himself, calling from a borrowed phone to ask where he could meet up to get his mobile back. The police set up a meeting at Plaza Primero de Mayo, walked right up to him on a park bench, and found the stolen toy cars inside his bag. That is the evening roundup for today. If you want to find out more about these stories and others, visit thisistorrevieja.com and remember to follow and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Riley Villa. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be cool, and I will see you on Monday.